wala na talagang atrasan. Handa na raw si VP Sara na sagutin ang ilang mga issue. May impeachment trial man o wala. Kasama riyan ang kanyang confidential funds. Narito ang agenda report ni John Manalo.
Naninindigan si Vice President Sara Duterte na madalas daw ginagamit ang aliases sa intelligence operations. Kaya handa raw ang kanyang kampo na ipaliwanag sa impeachment trial ang kontrobersyal na mga resibong may fictitious names. Isa na nga rito ang sumikat na si Mary Grace Piatos. May 2 intelligence experts daw mula sa kanyang kampo na magsisilbing resource persons.
Our lawyers are preparing for the trial and collecting pieces of evidence and gathering affidavits from witnesses that they will present during trial. Let us wait for the trial. And as I said yesterday, if there is no trial, then I will answer it publicly. But I just want to wait what will happen to the articles of impeachment.
May patutsada rin ang bise tungkol sa pahayag ng ilang miyembro ng Kamara, lalo na sa nabansagang budol gang sa OVP confidential funds.
But let me just say this, no, na I think it is wrong for everyone to pick up as truth or as a fact all the pronouncements of the members of the House of Representatives, particularly with fictitious names, because there are rules in intelligence operations, and you already heard some of intelligence people who work in intelligence say that aliases are often used in intelligence operations.
Pagdating naman sa proposed budget ng OVP for 2026, kung saan wala silang hininging confidential funds, ang bagong talagang spokesperson na si Ruth Castelo na raw ang bahalang sumagot tungkol dito. Dagdag ni VP, hindi parte ng trabaho ni Castelo ang maging attack dog.
Her job is for the institution, it's for the office of the Vice President. No, it's not political, it's not for me. So that is why she will only bring good news, accomplishments, and announcements of the office of the Vice President.
Nakwento naman ng bise sa isa pang panayam sa The Hague na welcome daw si FPRRD na tumira sa bahay ng ex-wife niyang si Elizabeth Zimmerman. Sakaling ibenta ng kanyang common law wife na si Honolat Avancenia ang bahay nila sa Davao City. Nang tanungin kung magbabati na ba sina FPRRD at Zimmerman,
walang reconciliation. Walang reconciliation. Ano lang, sabi ni Mama, okay naman daw na bumisita yung mga girlfriends. Walang problema sa... Grabe, no? Wala na sigurong parang friendship yung kanila.
umugong ang usap-usapan tungkol sa bahay ni Duterte sa Doña Luisa Subdivision nang makitang may nakapaskil na for sale sign sa labas nito. Tinanggal din ang karatula matapos ang ilang araw. Para sa agenda, Joan Manalo, Billionario News Channel.